Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be doing my Partners in Cream project pan. So if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Before we get into that though, if you're new here, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video from me, and let's get into the update. Alright, so before we get started, this is a project created by Steph and DaLin. I will link their channels down below, as well as all the information you need to know about this project, but you probably already know this is a project all about panning cream products, and so that's what we're doing. I have one very exciting update from this update, and the rest are kind of mediocre, but I will talk about in my next video that should be going up after this. It's a Get Ready With Me. I'm going to be doing some changes to my project panning, so stay tuned for that, but let's just hop into the update. So this is a project I've been making pretty consistent use on all year. This is my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. As you can see, we're getting very close to the end, and if I show you my marks, that's where I was last month. That black line is where we are now. I've used it 12 times in the last month. I think I'm still on track to finish it for the year. Yeah, I should be able to if I use it a little bit more than I did this month, but I'm still enjoying this product. It's one of my favorite primers. I really do enjoy it. And I've just been making consistent use on it all year long, and I'm happy with that. Next up, I have my blush, and this is the Rare Beauty blush in the shade Love. And I've only used this one time. My goal is to finish this, and I have not been reaching for this a lot lately, but I think now that we're entering fall, this kind of like burnt red tone is something I'll reach for a lot more. As I said, I'm also making changes to my projects coming up soon, and so I think I've just been like skipping over this one, even though I'm not panning a ton of blush. Well, that's a lie. I did roll in some into my Throwback 30, but those are like usage based. Anyway, I think I'm gonna just use this a lot more. I feel like it's been getting lost in my like project panning drawers, so I think that I will be reaching for this a lot more hopefully in the future, and I can eventually finish this year because I think I'm very close. Next, I was working on my Anastasia Luminous Foundation, and after 6 more uses, I'm very, very excited today. I have finished my 4th foundation for the year, which is incredible. Okay, my lines marked are not on here anymore, but I had like maybe a third of the bottle left. All the foundations I finished this year had significant use on it prior to this year. I don't even expect to finish a foundation next year. If I do, it'll be because I don't finish my Salt New York foundation this year, because I'm aiming for 5. But yeah, I'm really excited that I can get this on my collection. I did like this foundation. I didn't love it. ABH is not a brand that I'm super keen to like buy from. And so I'm excited that I have another foundation on my collection. My next update is my ColourPop Luxe Gloss in the shade Overnight, and I did not use this once in the last month. This is not my favorite formula, but I can tolerate it. I don't have a ton left, but I have made the decision that I'm going to be rolling this out. This is just not a shade I'm looking to wear right now, and so I'm going to roll something in that I think I can get a lot more use out of. Let's see. Next, I have my Super Shock Shadow from ColourPop. This is the shade Dream Lover, and I did not use this once in the last month as well, which I'm okay with. My goal is to hit pan. Hopefully I can use it 1 or 2 more times in the next month. I'm not stressed about it. I just didn't reach for it this month, and that's okay. And finally, I have my rotational lipstick. I've been rotating through my Lisa Eldridge lipsticks this year. This month was Meet Me in Berlin. This is one of her luxuriously lucent lipsticks. This is a beautiful brown shade. I didn't use it 5 times, which is typically my goal. I used it 3 times, but I will be rolling this out for a new shade to work on. All right, so to replace my ABH foundation, I'm not rolling in a new foundation. I'm going to be working on my Salt New York Sneaky Balm foundation, which I rolled into my Throwback 30, so I'm going to be working on that there. But I have decided I'm going to roll in my e.l.f. Putty Bronzer, and I do have a pretty good pan in here. I'm already kind of planning ahead for next year of things that I would like to pan, and I would like to finish this cream bronzer. I know this is kind of like has a lot of differing opinions on it, but I really like this cream bronzer because it's on the buildable side, and I just would like to finish this next year. So this is just going to be in for the duration of the project this year, and I just want to use it as much as I can. So I'm going to be working on this for the rest of the year. To replace the lip gloss I'm rolling out, I am rolling in the Ilia Balmy Gloss Tinted Lip Oil. I don't like this product, but it's a mini, and I think I could get it out pretty fast. And part of the reason I think I can get it out pretty fast is because it does not last on the lips at all. You take a drink of water, you start talking, this is gone. It is very, very thin and does not stay on the lips at all. So I think I'll be able to reapply it very often. And this is not a color I love, but it is a lip oil, so I can sheer it out and it's fine. So I'm going to try to finish this by the end of the year. And then for my rotational Lisa Eldridge lipstick, it's time to roll in Velvet Fawn. This is like my favorite personal nude on me. This is just what I decided to pick for this time of year. I already know what I'm planning on rolling in for October, but for September, it's going to be Velvet Fawn, like I just said. But yeah, that was all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. Once again, thank you to Steph and DaLin for creating this project, and thank you for watching my update. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you like down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!